Hey, welcome everybody. Brian here from T-Sportline, coming to you from our Atlanta headquarters. And today we've got a Tesla Cybertruck in here and we're installing our big brake kit on this Cybertruck. Let's go through some of the basics. So the factory caliper we have right here, this is actually a 4-piston caliper. Not a bad piece, but our upgrade is a 6-piston caliper. And we also have a larger surface area on our brake pad. So we're swapping out the caliper for a high performance 6-piston setup. And then it's true to the name, it is a big brake kit. So the rotor, we have a factory cast iron rotor, super heavy. This is 350 millimeter rotor. We've upgraded, increased the size to 410 millimeters on the rotor. And of course, this is a 2-piece lightweight rotor. It's got an aluminum hat, and then you have the steel rotor ring. So that's the upgrade up here. Now in the back of the truck, we upgrade and put a matching rotor in the back so you have a consistent look. And this is a really cool black finish on here. This is cross-drilled and slotted. So you've got the same matching look in the back. But in the back, we do not change the caliper because it's got the integrated parking brake. So we've just installed our caliper cover in the back, which will give you the red look matching back there. So check this out, guys. Let me know what you think. This Cybertruck, which was in for a lot of upgrades, we've done PPF on this, and pretty much everything else we sell is really going to be rolling in an awesome look and great performance now with the brakes. The final touch on the brakes is in the front. We've replaced the factory rubber lines with high performance stainless steel braided lines, which are resistant to extreme temperatures when you're in use with performance brakes. So nice setup up here. All right, everybody, if you like this video, give me a thumbs up. Make sure you subscribe to our channel and go to tsportline.com and check out our big brake packages.